Cut. Oh my god. Oh, that was so good. This drink here, jeez, if you don't know, now you know. Region, it's got your BC, AAs in there, aminos in that, melon mania flavour. Let's go, let's get it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So on this episode, the car is basically misfiring, so we're going to try and tackle the issue. I've got a bit of a leak on the exhaust as well. I've actually had to redo the intro, but we're going to get it done. Basically, it's misfiring, we don't know what it is, so we're going to do a whole load of service, like do the exhaust and that, and then change the spark plugs as well, but that isn't the issue. Didn't know what the issue is, but in the end we get to the issue, we find out what it is, and then we do tackle it. So let's get in. So let's go get the exhaust off, and then once we get the old exhaust back on, we will literally just be banging out this undercoating. I'll show you the can as well, and then we'll just crack on with it. I'm not even joking with you, we've got the old exhaust there, boom, ready to go flat out the door, bro, ready. See all the hook, pretty good ease on the coupe. So this is off. See what I mean? Could just do this on the ceiling. There's other spots on the body for a brown one. But definitely get some closure. See what I mean? Mainly on these buttons. We are in position. So it's on here, there, two there. Just need to do the connect. And I've got the old one I had to bench grind off. This old one that's just shit really. And get another one of these. Just go on it. And the other side. These clamps are so much better. That's a 63. 63. This will also be our friend, and I might have to put my extender wire brush on the end, which I used on the coupe for a lot of rust, getting rust off and shit. But this is pretty good, probably. Yes, yes, so we have been to Halfords and got the bit clamp. I've had a ganders, made sure the bolts all fucking work and that. Can you imagine that the clamps, yeah, a set of Jubilees, sorry, a box, so just a couple in there, like 8 or something, is like £4, bruv. Are you joking me? Fuck that. And then a single one, because I need it for my CV boot on the coupe, a single one was like £3.90. I told the mate he hold it, bro. I don't even want that. You hear me? Shit's getting up. I ain't paying that for a Jubilee, blood. Are you joking? You joking? That's much better. Let's get it on. That's all done. Sorted. So there's bits like that that need a little, and the seals. Bits like that. That. Is that a hole there? What the fuck? See what I mean? This is Taker's box. do. Dropped the oil plug, didn't get one bit of oil on it. Come on. That's pro card. Shit right there. Definitely failed. Definitely failed. That's one back in. Fresh as a daisy. Sparky's coming up. Good. This is the only non-fouled one. It smells of petrol compared to those ones. And that is a brand new wash coil. So we have the new coil here. I'm going to fit it and then it should be okay. This is for the 4th coil, which is making it miss on the 4th cylinder.